Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. This video is about how you can restrict your Shopify collection maximum quantity. And this is an easy tutorial, so watch this video completely without skipping. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. For setting this up, I am using Nex Minimum Order Quantity MOQ app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can just check it out. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Configure button from the Collection Limits section. First thing, you have to give a proper title so that you can just easily identify this from the list of rules. Let's say like I'm adding like rule set for maximum collection limit. It could be anything. I'm just giving this like that. And make sure that the rule is enabled and land on collection tab and click on collection maximum quantity. And you have to give a maximum quantity as a number here, and you can just select the collection. I'm just adding summer collection here. If you need multiple, then you can just tick the others and click on add button. So what does this mean is, user will be able to purchase up to 6 products from the summer collection. So if anyone tries to purchase 7 products, then there will be error message showing up in the checkout page. And this error message, either we can go for a default one so that you just keep it disabled. Otherwise, if you need any customized message to be showing up in the checkout page, then you can just enable this and add the required customized message here. For now, I'm just moving with the default one. And if you have any additional maximum quantity limit, then click on this add button and add the similar kind of information over there too. Next comes the show message in the cart page. So by enabling this, the error message will be available within the cart itself. So I'm just disabling it. I'm planning to show up the error message in the checkout page only. So all the setup has done. Let's save it. Now let's try this out in our online store. So I have some products in the cart. So these first 2 products are from my summer collection. And these 2 products having 3 quantity each. And the last product, this one is out of my summer collection. So the rule will not be applying here. Let's try to check out now. Now, there won't be any error message showing up because we have chosen only 6 and the maximum limit has reached. Now, let's try to increase the number of the products. So, in total, I have 8 products from the summer collection. So, trying to check out now. Then, the error message is showing that we have added 8 items and we have allowed only 6 items to be purchased. Similarly, you can also just set up this kind of collection limit maximum rules in your Shopify store. So while you are waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.